Rice water for clear, glowy skin. Now, you know I absolutely love rice water for my hair, and a lot of you always ask me, why don't I use the rice water on my skin? Because it's so good for skin too. And I have always said, as much as I love it, it's very sensitive when you make it by yourself, and I would always prefer to have rice water that is professionally formulated. And thanks to Corral, who is sponsoring our video today, we have three different rice infused products. We have the toner, we have the mask, and we have the moisturizer. Now, these products, I'm in love. So this is the thrice rice kit from House of Doa that has been gifted to us by Corel, and these are their three main products: the rice bran toner, moisturizer, and wash off facial mask. So we are starting with the rice bran wash off face mask. This can be used in the morning and in the evening. It can be used daily, and you can see I'm starting off on my naturally very dry skin, and I have a little bit of texture on my skin. You can't see it as much because of the freckles, but trust me, it is there. This is conveniently packed in a nice simple pouch that's very easy for travel too. I love the soft creamy texture of the formula, which is actually infused with real rice grains that give a nice gentle scrubbing effect. As you can see, as I'm applying the mask, I'm also gently rubbing it in circular motions to exfoliate any dead skin. Now, traditionally, rice water was actually used by the privileged class in Korea because of its benefits that soften the skin, supply deep hydration, and also brighten the complexion. Now, this specific mask actually has 9 kinds of native rice bran extract that are locally harvested. It not only smoothed the skin, but it also soothed the skin, making it instantly appear clearer and brighter. So it's vitalizing, brightening, moisturizing, but it's also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. I leave that on my skin for 10 minutes, and then you make sure you pat dry. You don't want to rub after exfoliating. And now we're moving on to the rice bran toner, which is step 2. It's also rich with the same rice bran extract that hydrates, brightens, and softens dull, irritated skin. I usually suffer from dry, dull skin, and this really helps with that. It is extremely fast absorbing. It also strengthens the moisture barrier, which is very important for a dry skin girl like me. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps to regenerate and prevent aging, so it's also anti-aging. Now onto the rice bran facial moisturizer. This is for daily care. It is fast absorbing and provides deep hydration. It's a wax oil network system in the formula, which really helps boost the skin's elasticity. The natural oils in this moisturizer really help to hydrate and nourish the skin without leaving it feeling oily at all, but just protecting that skin barrier. The thrice rice kit is so easy to use. It can be used in the morning and in the evening, or in the evening. So you can do this once a day or twice a day, but these products will really enhance your skin's natural texture, glow while looking bright and clear. You need to try this because it will truly transform your skin. And now, aside from these, they also have other best-selling products. And the first one is the mung bean wash-off mask. Very similar application and texture to the rice mask. And then we have the rice bran sheet mask. I love sheet masks. And then we have the rice bran powder wash. I am very excited to try this because I've never tried one of these powder washes before, but I know that they are popular for a reason. So if you would like to go ahead and purchase these products and get these amazing results, like my skin feels so hydrated, like this is amazing. If you would like to try these products for yourself, you can find all these products at Corel, and you can only find the Thrice Rice Kit at Corel. And if you want to save a little extra, because you know, as much as we love luxury, we also love savings, you can get 15% off with my code AngieB15 as seen on the screen here and in the description box below. And let me know how you guys like these products, and let me know if you've ever tried rice in your skincare before. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!